Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or homeowner, the Boncart Drywall Repair Kit. If you're looking for the best solution on how to patch holes in walls, stick around because we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. This kit comes packed with everything you need to tackle those pesky holes and cracks in your drywall. Whether it's from accidents, nails, or wear and tear, this product promises to deliver a quick and easy fix. First off, let's talk about its key features. The Boncart Drywall Repair Kit includes a specially formulated mending agent and wall spackle. What's great is its waterproof formula, ensuring durability and no residue left behind. Applying it is a breeze. Simply fill in the hole or crack with a smooth paste using the included scraper. It's designed to dry fast and leave a seamless finish, saving you time and effort. Of course, no product is perfect. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best solution to patch holes in your walls effortlessly, the Boncart Drywall Repair Kit is a top contender. It's reliable, user-friendly, and delivers a flawless finish every time. That wraps up our review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product critiques. Until next time, stay tuned and stay informed with Product Critique.